Hey, today we are diving into Salesforce Einstein Trust Layer. What is an Einstein Trust Layer? So, as the name suggests, it's a layer of trust which is built within Salesforce so that your data remains safe and making sure that you are not sharing your company's secret or customer data with these large language models. LLMs. Let's take an example. Every time we use generative AI tools like ChatGPT or Gemini, there's a chance we might unintentionally share sensitive customer data. These models can store that data for learning or testing, which raises serious privacy concerns. That's why Salesforce introduced the Einstein Trust Layer, a secure AI framework with built in privacy controls, legal safeguards, and data protections. It's act as a protective layer so you can use AI confidently without compromising your business or customer trust. As you can see in the flow diagram, this is a complete workflow of the Einstein trust layer. Let's begin with the prompt journey, the first step in Salesforce Secure AI workflow. It enhances AI responses using CRM data while keeping everything safe. It works in three steps: securely retrieving the data, masking sensitive info, and blocking unsafe input. This ensures every AI interaction is accurate, private, and trustworthy. Once the prompt is secured, it's sent to a trusted large language model like Salesforce own or open. Here, the Einstein Trust Layer enforces a zero data retention policy. That means the model processes the prompt without storing or learning from your data, keeping your enterprise information completely private. Finally, we have the response journey. This step ensures the AI's reply is safe and compliant. It includes toxicity detection to filter harmful content, data dem masking to reinsert sensitive data info for authorized users, audit trail to log every interaction, ensure transparency, accountability, and continuous improvement. Let's bring it all together. The Einstein Trust Layer is more than just a feature. It's Salesforce foundation for secure, ethical, and transparent AI. It protects your data at every step, from prompt creation to response delivery, with built-in safeguard like zero data retention, data masking, and audit trails. Within Einstein Trust Layer, generative AI becomes not only powerful, but enterprise-ready, private, and trustworthy. Welcome to our yoga booking assistant. Let's walk through how easy it is to book your next yoga session. To begin, the user simply types a request like yoga booking. The agent immediately responds asking for a few essential details like first name, last name, email address, and mobile number. Once the user provides this information, the agent checks if an account already exists. If account is found, the agent uses it to proceed with the booking. If no account is found, the agent quickly creates a new one using the provided details. No extra step needed. Next, the agent gathers the booking specifics. How many days a user want to book for and how many people will be attending it. With all the information in place, the agent confirms the booking and send a confirmation emails to the user's inbox directly. And that's it. A seamless guided experience from start to finish, making yoga booking classes effortless and efficient. Started in Salesforce, agents needs the right profile and permissions. These control what they can access and do like handling cases, lead or custom objects. Let's take a look at how to set up an agent force agent in Salesforce. Whether it's a service agent or an SDR, you will need to assign the right permissions, profiles, and permission sets. This ensures each agent is fully equipped to work securely and efficiently. To enable Einstein in setup, search for Einstein setup in the quick find box, click Einstein setup, turn on Einstein toggle to enable Einstein features. Refresh your browser to reload setup to take effect. Now for enable Agentforce agent in setup, search for Agentforce agent in the quick find box and at the top of the page, set the Agentforce toggle to on. Locate the enable the Agentforce, default Agentforce. Set this toggle to on to activate the default agent. Next, to create and configure the agent user, go to the profiles. Click on profile. Then search for Einstein agent user. Click on assigned users once you have opened the Einstein agent user. Assigned user will be on the top of the page. Select Einstein service agent user. Now scroll down to permission set assignment and click on edit assignment. Now select access agent force, default agent and prop template users. Add it. Once you have added, click on save. Now these permission set are assigned to agent user in order to create new permission set. Search for permission set in quick find box. Select it and now click on new to create a new one. For that, we need to add a label that what will be the name of the permission set that we need to give to the agent force. Once you have added the label, API name will be automatically populated. Select Einstein agent license. In the bottom of the page, click on save. Now click on object settings. Select the object you want to provide the permission to agent force. Agent in this case is contact. Click on edit once the contact is open. Provide the required permission in it. In this case, read permission is required. Click on read and click on save. And that's it. The permission set is created. You can add more permissions in this permission set that is required by agent force. Now, select the permission set we just created. I have selected the permission set. Now, click on manage assignments. Once you have clicked on it, click on add assignment to add the assignment. And then select the Einstein service agent user. I have selected it and I have clicked on next and then click assign. Click done and that's it. Now Einstein service agent user has read access to contact object. To begin, head to setup and search for permission set. In the quick find box, select permission set. Now locate and open the prompt. Template manager, permission set. Next, click on manage assignments once it is open. Then choose add assignment. Search for the user who need the access to create prompt. In this case, org farm epic and check the box next to the username. Click next and then assign and then finally done. Click next and then assign. Just like the user is now ready to build prompt using the prompt builder. To configure the permission set, we have to create a custom permission set. Now search for permission set. Click on new, give label to your permission set and select Einstein agent in license option. Likewise, we did earlier. Once you have added the label, select the license and click on Save button. API name will be auto-populated. Once you are done with this, open the object settings for it and search for the contact object. Click on Edit. Check the read options in the object permission and read access in field permission. Once you have checked it, click on Save. Now, once this is done, search for cases object. I am searching for case object. Once it is find it, click on Edit for it. Check read, create and edit permission for it. checkbox in object. Yes, I have done it. Permission and read access and edit. Access in field permission. Click on save. Now assign this permission to agent user. Click on manage assignments. Click on add assignment. Select Einstein service agent user. Click next and finally click on assign. To set up an agent force SDR agent, navigate to setup and use the quick find box to search for agent for SDR. Click enable all and activate required features. Set the active toggle to on. And now step 2 is to create the SDR agent user. Start by clicking on go to the user setup and then fill out all the required user details under user license. Select Einstein agent license and for profile choose Einstein agent user. Before assigning the permission set to the agent for SDR user, start by navigating to the permission set within the quick find box. Once you have opened the permission set, open the agent force SDR user. Then scroll down and click on Data Cloud Data Space Management. Next, click Edit on it. Check the box labeled Enabled for the default setting. Then click Save to apply the changes. Now go to the permission set for assign required permission to the SDR agent user. Click on Add Assignment. Select SDR user, then agent force from the user list. Click on Assign and then Done. Now permission set is assigned to our user. Now go back to the step 2, click on Go to EAC. Settings for configure Einstein activity capture. Click on Add content and event sync button. Select G Suite. Once it is selected, click Next. Select the user label and then click Next. Give a name to configuration and then click on Next. Review the syncs and click Next. Select the Agent Force SDR user and add. Click Next and you are ready to launch. Click Finish. Your configuration agent for SDR is created. Step 3 is to assign permission sets. Click on Go to Permission Set for identify MCGRs for your SDR agent. Now click on Add Assignment from the list. Select the user whose role is manager and then click Sign. And finally, once we are done with this step, click on Done to complete the process. Now assign permission set to sales user. Click on Go to the permission set to sales user. Click on Go to the permission set for assigned user to your SDR agent. Now click on Add Assignment from the list. Select the user whose role is sales and then click Assign. Finally, click Done to complete the process. These assignments give manager the ability to configure the SDR agent while enabling sales users to interact with it seamlessly. Final step is to configure and activate your SDR agent. Click on Go to the Agent Builder. For now, notice all available topics send, outreach, respond to prospect, and manage. Opt out has been added. Click Next for customize your agent, fill company field, and select SDI user in agent user field. Click Next for now. We are going to skip the select language and tone section. You can customize this later. Click Next. Then we have to upload file section. Click Next. At last, we have engagement rules which determines when and how your agents interact with leads. Click on Create. Congratulations, say hello to your new agent. Talk about Agent Force Guardrail. Any AI or automation system guardrails are essential. Agent Force guardrails in Salesforce are designed to prevent overreach, ensuring AI agents operate within secure, well defined boundaries. These guardrails combine policy, technical, and process level control to maintain trust, security, and control, making sure users and systems don't exceed their intent authority. One of the most important guardrails in Agent Force is role based access control or RBAC. It helps manage who can do what by assigning permissions based on their job roles. This ensures users not only get the access they truly need, following the principle of least privileged. Now let's see how RBAC works in action. On the left, we have users each mapped to a specific role like admin, manager, or employee. These roles define their level of authority, like full access or limited access. On the right, each role is connected to a set of permissions, such as read only access or full control. This structure ensures user not only access what they need, keeping but also keeping your system secure and well organized. To prevent unauthorized changes, Salesforce uses structured change management. This includes approvals, workflows, sandbox first deployment, and tools like ChangeSys or DevOps Center. Salesforce ensures safe and reliable changes through a structured lifecycle. Development starts in a sandbox where changes are built and tested. Once validated, they are deployed to production using tools like ChangeSets or DevOps Center. To stay in sync, sandboxes are regularly refreshed with production data. The process follows seven key stages. First, define goal and design the solution with stakeholders. Second, code builds features using version controls for collaboration. Third, build package code into deployment unit, often automated. Fourth, test to catch issues earlier. Fifth, release, approve, and prepare the build for production. Sixth, deploy launch into production with automation tools. Seventh, operate and monitor, maintain performance, and track feedback for continuous improvement. Thanks for watching. To learn more or get in touch, email us or call us with the mentioned details. Please do let me know in the comment section for any queries. We are here to help you build smarter, safer AI solutions. See you next time.